So I had a bunch of this leftover scrap wood, a few pieces, so I cut it all to lengths and thicknesses and going to make these little boxes. I got enough here to make several boxes. They're probably going to come out something like this. I made this for my friend, British friend from Northampton, UK. It kind of looks like there's no hinges on it, but you make these little wooden hinges. I really like it. They're really hard to make. And this is the first time I've made one so tiny. It's a really small hinge. It wasn't easy to make at all. But as you can see, it works pretty good. I really like it, but they're not easy to make. And I made this thing here. It's kind of a little trick thing. This is a solid piece of wood. Made it in the shape of a heart. Put John and his wife's name on there. I got a bunch of wood for that too, just scrap wood. Got to think of something to make out of scrap. That's my little logo, made in the Philippines by me. Love making boxes.